Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to use the VLOOKUP function in Google Sheets. This tutorial will be relatively easy, simple, and quick to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sheets, you're a beginner, or even a first-timer in using this software, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Also, if you have not subscribed yet, please do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and drop a like on this video. Now, before starting with anything else, I want you to make sure that the Google Chrome or the browser that you are using, whether you are using Mac or you are using Windows like me, is currently up to date. And this is so that we can avoid any unexpected errors by doing so. Now, if you want a tutorial on or even a how-to guide for beginners in using Google Sheets, we already have crafted a video that you can check out on our YouTube channel, which discusses the function, features, and just an overall brief in using Google Sheets and other Google softwares such as Google Slides, Forms, Sites, and many more. Now, for separate tutorials of the different features and functions, we also have a dedicated playlist that compiles all the Google software tutorials depending on the corresponding playlist that you will look at it. Now, let us begin at the tutorial on how to do or use the VLOOKUP function. Now, VLOOKUP function will be will make our work very efficient and will make our lives relatively easier, especially if you are a teacher, for example, that is checking up on grades here on Google Sheets. Now, let's say, for example, for instance, I would like to check what Andrew's grades are. Now, for instance, you might have tons of students or tons of co-workers, let's say, for example, that has different points, number of points that you would like to check. Let's say, for example, one specific person, that what grades that person got, or let's say, for example, how many points did Andrew got in this specific spreadsheet. Now, to use the VLOOKUP function, as always, when you are using a function, please always use the equal sign in front of the function, because this is what will determine that we are trying to use a function and not anything else. Once you have put that equal sign, go ahead and type in VLOOKUP, like so, and put a parenthesis. Now, as we want to look up for Andrew's grades, click on Andrew's name, just like so, put a comma, and now the range, which is A to B, because we are comparing these two columns. It will be some sort of a pair from Andrew. What is the corresponding grade? It is on the B column. So we want to put A, then semicolon B. Now, for the range, we want to check the grades, and the ID for the grades column is 2 because it's in B. So we want to put 2 over there. And then lastly is if it is sorted or not. Now, our data in our spreadsheet is currently not sorted, so we are going to click on false and then put a close parenthesis. Now, as we press enter, as you can see, it will display 83, meaning that this is what Andrew got in terms of his grades. Now, if we change this value right over here, let's say, for example, Bill, it will display Bill's grade instead, because we have changed the value of this search key for our VLOOKUP or vertical lookup function. As simple as that, we can easily check the corresponding grades of our students or other let's say, for example, co-workers or points, depending on your usage. Now, that's it for today's video. If you learned something, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.